My name is Maria Rohr. I am the marketing director on Chevy Trucks. There's so much to tell about the 2013 Traverse. We redesigned the front end for a more powerful, more athletic exterior and dome. You'll see redesigned headlamps, you'll see a redesigned grille that makes it feel much more sporty. We have redesigned the rear end with new redesigned tail lamps. So from an exterior standpoint, it's going to look like a whole new Traverse. From an interior perspective, we have made it much more refined, much more premium, extremely inviting. You'll see wonderful appointments, you'll see contrast stitching, and for those families that are on the go, you're going to see our infotainment system upgraded with Chevrolet MyLink and a new 6.5-inch monitor and screen so that they can enjoy all of the infotainment as they travel comfortably in their Traverse. It seats up to 8. It has the segment-leading cargo space up to over 24 cubic feet in the back. We think it's absolutely as capable as an SUV and a minivan, but it's way more stylish and perfect for the family on the go.